Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the e-classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th, subject English Grammar, lesson 21, forms of verb, presented by Durga Thapa. In today's video class, we are going to study lesson 21, forms of verb. In this, we are going to study the different forms of verb, that is base form, past tense form and the past participle form. Students, as we have already studied in our previous classes that the verbs can be classified as regular verbs and irregular verbs. That means verb can be classified into two categories. First category is the regular verbs and second category is the irregular verbs. So students, first of all we will study the regular verbs. What are the regular verbs? Regular verbs are the verbs which form their past tense and past participle by adding e to the base verb. So regular verbs are the verbs which form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to the base verb. Now here's the examples. First one is the base verb is the walk and we are using ed to the past tense, that becomes walked, and past participle also the same, we are adding ed to the base verb, that is walked. Now second example is ask, asked, asked. That means we are adding ed to the base verb and making past tense and the past participle. Okay, now these type of words which are forming their past tense and past participle by adding ed, they are known as the regular verbs. The second type of verbs are the second type of the forms of the verbs are the irregular verbs. Now irregular verbs are the verbs which perform their past tense and past participle in a different way from adding ed to the base verb. That means we are not making the past tense and past participles of these verbs by adding ed. We are not adding ed to the base verb to make past tense and past participle. Now we will study some forms of the irregular verbs. In type 1, we are not forming the past tense and past participle of the base verb by adding ed, but all the forms of the verbs are the same. Here, the base form, the past tense form and the past participle form are the same without any change. So let's read the examples. Bet, bet, bet. Post, post, post. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Split, split, split. Read, read, read. Put, put, put. Set, set, set. Spread, spread, spread. Let, let, let. So all the forms of the verbs are here same without any change. Now, the second type of irregular forms of the verb is when two forms are the same. That means from base verb, past tense and past participle, any two will be same. So let's read the example. Become, became, become. Now here base form and the past participle are the same. Become, become. And past tense is different, that is became. Now here next is bend, bent, bent. Bring, brought, brought. Come, came, come. Make, made, made. Tell, told, told. Teach, taught, taught. Win, won, won. Pay, paid, paid. Students, in all these verbs, verb forms, two forms are the same. It can be base verb, base form and past tense, or it can be base form and past participle. Okay? Now students, let's read the third type of irregular verbs. Now, in the third type of irregular verbs, all three forms are different. That means base form, past tense form and the past participle all are different. Okay? So let's read the example. Be, was, were, been. Be, was, been. Be, were, been. Begin, began, begun. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Sing, sang, sung. Swim, swam, swum. Ring, rang, rung. Wear, wore, worn. Forget, forgot, forgotten. So here in type number 3 of the irregular forms of the verbs, all the forms are different. Base form is different from past tense form and the past tense form is different from the past participle form. Okay? So students, now some verbs have special past participle forms that can be used as adjective. That means these words are already having the usual past participle but they are also used as the adjective past participle. So let's read the example. Base form, usual past participle, that means the common past participle, and the adjective past participle. Okay? So here drink, drank, and the adjective past participle is drunken. Prove, proved, proven. Shave, shaved, shaven. Strike, struck, striken. Shrink, shrunk, shrunken. Okay? Now students, you have to read all the forms of the verb. That means you have to read all the pages, that is page number 86, 87 and 88 and 89 of your book and try to learn all the forms of the verb from your book. So thank you for today. Now have a nice day.